How to download and install Microsoft Office Excel for free. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to AppHacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download Microsoft Excel for free. So let's get started. First, open up a web browser and simply search for Microsoft. Now, after you search for Microsoft, you can simply go to your account and log in. So after you're on Microsoft, you can simply scroll down till you find the Office. Now simply go to Microsoft 365. And after you're on Microsoft 365, you will see subscription plans and so much more. Now you can simply download it from here, or you can go to Microsoft Store. So open up Microsoft Store and make sure that you're logged into your account there too. Go to the search bar and then search for Office. After you search for Office, your Microsoft Office should pop up right here. Now you can see that all of these are paid and only the Microsoft 365 is for free. Open this up, and after you open it up, you should see that there are a lot of options here, such as your Microsoft's spreadsheet, documents, and presentations included. Now you can simply download this and use your Microsoft spreadsheets for free. And that is basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.